In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide rows in Smartsheet using filters so you can focus only on the information that matters most. Start by opening your sheet and clicking the filter button in the top toolbar. Select Create New Filter and give your filter a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Next, choose the column that contains the data you want to filter. For example, if you want to hide completed tasks, select the status column. Then choose a filter condition such as is not one of, does not contain, or another option that fits your data. Enter the value you want to hide, such as completed or done. Click Apply and Smartsheet will automatically hide the rows that match your filter criteria from view. Your data is not deleted, it simply remains hidden while the filter is active. You can create additional filters for different views, making it easier to manage large sheets and focus on specific tasks, projects, or team members. To show all rows again, simply clear or disable the filter, and your complete sheet will reappear instantly. That's how to hide rows in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.